Hey folks, thanks for joining me on Drive with Ronnie. Straight ahead, you can see the green door. That building is the post office. Sligo. Straight on, going to the traffic lights. To the left of the traffic lights, that is the Glass House Hotel, Sligo. Straight on is the High Bridge. The road I'm currently driving on is the High Bridge. As you can see, straight on there, there's a couple of building blocks. There are apartments, offices, shops. On the left side, bus stops, bus lanes. So still driving on, heading into the J5. So J5, that brings me to roads that leads to Dublin on the N4, Derry N15, Enniskillen N16, Roosters Point R291. Now you can see on the left side, a couple of cars parked on the left. So that's on street paid parking for customers, residents. So I'm going to go straight on. If I were to take the left side, I'll be heading to Quayside Shopping Centre, but I'm going to Roosters Point. So I'll join this lane here. Traffic light currently red. Should go green soon. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, Sligo is very beautiful. Very nice roads. Quiet. So you can see a couple of people walking around. Someone jogging there, someone on there. Yeah, so if I'm going to ATU, Glencar, or Parks Castle, I'll take the right turn. That's the N16. But because I'm heading to Roosters Point, I stay in this lane and I will be joining the left lane shortly. The left lane, that is R291. That's heading to Roosters Point. And there we go. Yeah, as you can see, very clean place, clean streets. Love Sligo. Okay, so to the left, a couple of apartments, estates, buildings, private properties. As the indication goes, I take the left turn, and the left hand brings me onto the R291. So as you can see, apartment blocks there. Yeah, private property next. Some to the right as well. Because it's just a dashcam recording, just have one shot. To the left is the Catch on Heights. Then straight on, I'll be heading to Roosters Point. Go to the left is Holy Mount. A couple of apartments there. And from here to Roosters Point, not too far, 7 kilometers, as the board says. So on and on we go. Love Sligo, very clean, nice town, peaceful. I highly recommend it. Come visit. Thank you.